Welcome to my channel. Here is Rizwana and today we are going to learn phonic sounds of U. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon and click on all option so that you may find the notifications of all my upcoming videos. So let's start our today's video. It has two long vowel sounds and can be pronounced as U and U, whereas the third sound is the short vowel sound and can be pronounced as A. First of all, we will discuss the long vowel sound of the letter U as U. To make the pronunciation of the sound U, the back of the tongue extends toward the soft palate, making lips in a shape. Start this sound with more relaxed lips and move to tighter lip positions. Here are some examples of the long vowel sound of the letter U as U. The words with the same sound are full, June, sugar, bull, fruit, juice, rule, true, tune, etc. The long vowel sound of the letter U as U. To make this sound, the front of the tongue pushes behind the lower front teeth and touches the palate. The jaw is closed and there is also a sort of pinch in the throat here to give the U sound quality. Here are some examples of long vowel sound of the letter U as U. For example, music, blue, cube, use, fuse, lube, tube and computer, etc. The short vowel sound of the letter U is A. To pronounce the short vowel sound of U, the body of the tongue is set low and relaxed. The body of the tongue is relaxed and set low in the mouth. While pronouncing the sound, the sides of the tongue slightly touch the bottom teeth and the lips are kept relaxed. Here are some examples of the short vowel sound of the letter U as A. For example, us, up, urge, uncle, umbrella, ultimate, ultra, earn, etc. How to decide whether the letter U pronounces a long or short sound? Check the given patterns to pronounce the right sound for the alphabet U. Check these patterns. U plus consonant plus vowel is equal to long U sound as in brute, tube. U plus consonant plus end of the word would be short U sound as in cup, gun, fun. U plus consonant is equal to short U sound as in full, pull. U plus consonant single syllable word is equal to short U sound as in up, us. If you like the video, then like the hit button, share it with others and also comment in the comment section. You can also ask questions in the comments below. This is all about today's video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.